All right. So, good evening, everyone. Very warm welcome for today's session. And here we are, and we are discussing a very important topic today. It might be a little lengthy topic. Let's see how it goes. We are on the series of Flamboyant 2026, and very quickly recapping, you have to release your past. Only then can you really go for a better future. So if you want to go ahead with a better Flamboyant 2026, you have to remove whatever was negative, extra burden, hurtful, useless, etc. from 2025 and all the previous years. How to remove that? One of the ways forgiveness, which we are already doing, and the other small thing, which is very special today, will be the mass healing. So I have my team here who is going to do mass healing for every one of you. So when you are going to do the meditation today, when you will be doing the Twin Hearts meditation today, which is already a beautiful healing method, here my team will also be removing your past negative thoughts, will be healing you, removing your past memories, your pain, inability to release these energies. So healing is also a beautiful, beautiful way of releasing your past. Now, if you are a pranic healer already, you know how to do it. Psychotherapy, releasing past, cutting thoughts, etc. But if you're not a pranic healer, during the meditation, just be receptive, release and let go. Just let our healers and the crystals do their job. Okay. So that being said, so that's the second way in which we can really help release our past. Coming back to the former technique, forgiveness. Last year also we discussed what is internal forgiveness, what is external forgiveness. Now don't get confused. Internal forgiveness is self-forgiveness, external forgiveness, outside forgiveness. No. That's not the case. Okay. So if you have not attended last day's session, I request you to please attend last day's session because it was a very important topic. Internal is self and external is outside. That's not the case. Self-forgiveness is something very different. Internal and external forgiveness is something very different. Okay. Today's main topic is asking for forgiveness and giving forgiveness. So in my life, I have come across many people who keep on saying that everything is my mistake. I have seen people who keep on going on to other people and keep on saying sorry. हम ही गलत है, हमने सब गलत किया, हम ही बुरे हैं, हम ही कमजोर है, हमसे ही नहीं समझ में आया, हमसे ही गलतियां हुई। तो वो लोग ना, जब उनको आप देखो, वो किसी ना किसी से माफी मांगते रहते हैं। कभी अपने पेरेंट्स से माफी मांगते हैं, कभी अपने बच्चों से माफी मांगते हैं, कभी अपने इन लॉ से माफी मांगते हैं, अपने बॉस से माफी मांगते हैं, अपने दोस्त से माफी मांगते हैं। ऐसे लोग मैंने देखे हैं जो, और इनके लिए ना बहुत आसान है कहना कि मेरी गलती हो गई है, बस मुझे माफ कर दो। आई एम ओनली रॉन्ग, आई एम ओनली द वन हु हैज मेस्ड अप एवरीथिंग, मेरी ही वजह से सब कुछ गलत हुआ है। सो दीज पीपल दे कीप ऑन आस्किंग फॉर फॉरगिवनेस कॉन्स्टेंटली। ऐसे लोगों को जब आप बोलोगे ना कि अरे दूसरे को भी माफ करना जरूरी है, सामने वाला आपको मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ऐसे बोलेगा, सामने वाले की क्या गलती है, क्यों सामने वाले को माफी मांगने बोले, या सामने वाले को माफ करे क्यों, सामने वाले की तो कोई गलती ही नहीं है, सारी गलती तो मेरी है, it's all my mistake. So why should I even think of forgiving the other person? Why should I have to give forgiveness? I am the one who's supposed to ask for forgiveness. So for these category of people, it is very easy to ask for forgiveness. When you tell them give forgiveness, they will say, I have forgiven everyone. I don't have any list of forgiveness. I have forgiven everyone. There is no one who is left to be forgiven. And why should I have to forgive people? People are also good. People are also nice. This is one category of people. Okay. The other category of people, they feel that everyone should come and ask forgiveness from me. Why should I go and ask forgiveness from someone? ये दूसरी कैटेगरी क्या है? इनको लगता है मैंने तो हमेशा सब कुछ सही किया, मैंने हमेशा सबका ख्याल रखा, मैंने हमेशा सच बोला, मैंने हमेशा लोगों की मदद की, मैंने हमेशा कुछ अच्छा किया, तो फिर मैं क्यों किसी से माफी मांगू? मेरे मामा, काका, चाचा, मम्मी, पापा, हस्बैंड, वाइफ, बेटे, बेटी, बहू, पोता, ना, सबने मेरे से गलती की, सबने मुझे चोट पहुंचाया, सब आके मुझसे माफी मांगे. So this category of people, it is very difficult for them to ask for forgiveness. It's very difficult for them to say sorry. Rather, if people come and ask forgiveness from them, then they would say, okay, let me think. Let me think whether your problem is, your deeds are forgivable or not. And then I will maybe give you forgiveness. So this is the second category of people. Now, these are the two most normal category of people you're going to find around in the world. एक जो कहते हैं कि मैं माफी क्यों मांगू, और एक जो कहते हैं कि भाई हमेशा मुझे ही माफ कर दो. Okay? But the reality, what does science say? I am not talking about spirituality. I am not talking about God here. I am not talking about anything else. I am talking about simple science. The universal laws, law of karma, or something which is universal in nature. It is not dependent from person to person. The universal law says it is in giving that you receive. आप दोगे तो आपको मिलेगा. आप अगर नहीं दोगे तो आप कार्मिकली एंटाइटल्ड ही नहीं हो पाने के लिए. So if I have not given out money, I will not receive money. If I have not given out healing, I will never receive healing. If I have not given out love, I will not receive love. If I have never given out forgiveness, I will not receive forgiveness. So according to science, giving and receiving is like two sides of a balance. If you don't give, you will not be able to receive. If you don't receive, you will not be able to give. It will always be tilt-a-will. हमेशा ऐसे चलता रहेगा. पर अगर आप दोगे नहीं तो आप रिसीव कर ही नहीं पाओगे. If you give, you will get the entitlement of receiving. You again give, you will again get the entitlement of receiving. ठीक है? Now let's understand why to give, why to receive. The science is clear. You have to give to receive. Now, why to give, why to receive? Why to give first? You have to give first because of the one simple line that everybody makes mistakes. Not a single person on planet Earth is there who has never made mistakes. So if someone is doing something natural, if someone is doing something which is but obvious, then you have to give forgiveness. Now, why do you give forgiveness? Once again, because you also want forgiveness. We are also human beings. We are not perfect. We can make 1,000 mistakes. Now, whom will we ask for forgiveness? Maybe from some human being, maybe from God. हम कहेंगे कि भगवान हमको माफ कर दे. हम कोई परफेक्ट नहीं है, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. परफेक्ट होते तो फोटो टंग जाती. परफेक्ट होते तो यहाँ चेयर पे नहीं बैठे होते, सीधा दीवार पे टंग जाते. सो हम परफेक्ट नहीं हैं. अगर हम परफेक्ट नहीं हैं तो हमसे भी 100 गलतियां होंगी. हम भी माफी मांगेंगे, तब हम चाहेंगे कि भगवान मेरी गलतियों को माफ कर दे, मुझे पनिशमेंट ना मिले, मुझे सॉरी बोलने पे माफी दे दी जाए. सो इफ आई वॉन्ट दैट फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई हैव टू गिव इट फर्स्ट. मुझे पहले माफी देना होगा, तभी जाके कार्मिकली मैं माफी मांगने के लिए एलिजिबल होंगी. मुझे माफी सिर्फ तब मिलेगा जब मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में, यानी कार्मिक बैंक अकाउंट में, माफी का एक बैलेंस होगा. माफी देने से पहले वहां ऊपर जो भी उस हिसाब किताब को देख रहा है, normally in our Hindu tradition we say someone called Chitragupta. He has this big, huge, gigantic kitab which has all our Akashic records and all. So he will open our page and say, अच्छा इसे माफी चाहिए, क्या इसने माफी दी है किसी को? इसने तो कभी किसी को माफी नहीं किया. This person is holding on to everything. This person has never forgiven people. This person has always said, why did you make a mistake? You should be punished. Why did you make a mistake? You should be punished. Then this person has no balance of forgiveness. So how will now Chitragupta give you forgiveness? So if you just take care of your own accounts, don't bother about the whole world. Many people, when I talk of forgiveness, many people very cutely they tell me, गलती तो उसने भी की है, वो भी माफी मांगे फिर. Like those little friend वाला kind of thing. उसने भी गलती की है, वो भी माफी मांगे. अच्छा मैं मांगूंगी, वो भी मांगे पहले. ये स्कूल कॉलेजेस में चलता होगा. लाइफ के कॉलेज में नहीं चलता. Don't bother about anybody else. Don't bother what any person next to you is doing. आप अपना खाता संभालो. You just take care of your own accounts. I want forgiveness for the 100 mistakes I keep on doing because I'm not perfect. So I will make sure I forgive at least 10, 20, 30, 40 people who are making mistakes. I will understand that they are also human beings. They can make mistakes and I will have to forgive them. If I forgive them, only then will I have sufficient balance that when I make a mistake, God will also forgive me. So this is a simple hisab kitab, simple ledger balance, debit, credit, debit, credit, debit, credit. Better you keep more balance in your account so that someday you really make a big mistake. Someday you really goof up and you ask, भगवान जी एक बार माफ कर दो, दोबारा नहीं करेंगे, एक बार बचा लो. That time that balance, the back of you is going to save you. कि अच्छा इसने तो 10, 20, 30 लोगों को एक्स्ट्रा माफ की हुई है, चलो इसके पास बैलेंस है, ये बड़ी वाली गलती भी माफ कर देते हैं. So always keep extra balance. This is the science. This is pure science. This has got nothing with spirituality. This is a universal science, universal law. It holds true for you. It holds true for me. It holds true for a Hindu, a Muslim, a Christian, a Jew, a Sikh. It holds true for a little boy. It holds true for an elderly person, for a male, for a female. It's universal. So giving forgiveness has to come first. So when we do the prayer, we will just be doing the 7-time forgiveness in a while. So when we do the prayer, remember, you will have to forgive people first. You'll have to remember a list of people of this incarnation. And of course, the other incarnations are all a brilliant light. This incarnation, you can at least remember, okay, who all has hurt me? Who all has taken advantage of me? Who all has made me cry? Who all have cheated me? I have to remember them all together. I have to realize that they are also human beings. They can make mistakes. I need to forgive them. I release them. I let them go so that the negative karma doesn't affect their lives. And now I will ask for forgiveness for myself. If knowingly, unknowingly, I have hurt people in this incarnation, in all the incarnations, then I am sorry. Please forgive me. So when we also pray, the forgiveness prayer, every word is very important, every word. So we pray to God, may the divine supreme God neutralize all our negative karma, all, not only mine. कि may the God neutralize my negative karma. नहीं, सबके लिए pray करेंगे. जितने लोग हैं, सबका negative karma भगवान जी neutralize कर दे. May the supreme God bless us all with his love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. All does not mean the 64 people sitting here. All means everyone. Me and all the souls connected to me, all the souls connected to the whole universe. भगवान जी सबको अपनी दया दिखाए, भगवान जी सबको अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स दे, अपना लव दे, अपना मर्सी दे, अपना कंपैशन दे. एंड भगवान जी सबके बुरे कर्मों को निष्क्रिय कर दे, यानी न्यूट्रलाइज कर दे. Okay, so you pray for yourself and you pray for everyone. Now that being said, Is this part clear? Why do we have to ask for forgiveness and give forgiveness? Clear with everyone? Super. If anybody has questions, your questions are most welcome, huh? I love taking up questions. Most of you would know that. So at the end of the session, we can actually go ahead with all the question answer round. Now, that being said, one very, very important thing now I want to say. This is like the ultimate. Listen to this part very, very carefully. Because if you understand this second part, a lot of your things in your life will change, huh? Now, this is the starting phase. This is the phase where you and I, we are starting the forgiveness phase of our life. We are starting to understand that everybody makes mistakes. We are starting to realize that until and unless I forgive people, I will hold on to a lot of negativity. It's a burden on my back. It's like a huge burden on my back with which I have to walk. So it's better I put down the burden. It's better I do forgiveness. It's better I generate negative, positive karma. Okay. This is the starting phase. And this phase can go on to years and years and years and years. No problem. No hurry. मुझे 8 साल लगे. I'll be very honest. I was not at all a forgiving person. I was a person full of revenge. कोई मेरा एक बाल नुकसान करे, हम उसका पूरे बाल का नुकसान करेगा. This was my attitude when before pranic healing, 8 years back. Today, after 8 years, I'm sitting and I'm saying you have to forgive. Okay, so it's not a one-day job. Maybe it will be easy for you. For me, it was very difficult because I was a very hardly mental person. Maybe for you, it might take you 1 month, 2 months, 1 week, 2 weeks. I don't know. But go slow. There is no hurry. There is no rush. अगर आपको पूरा सेशन खत्म हो जाने के बाद भी ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, ये एक इंसान तो है जिसे मैं नहीं माफ कर पा रही हूँ, मैं नहीं जस्टिफाई कर पा रही हूँ, इट्स ओके, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ओके. टेक टाइम, रिलैक्स, टेक द प्रोसेस very slowly. Give it time, give yourself time. Be gentle and calm with the process. Be gentle and calm with yourself as well. ऐसा कभी मत सोचिएगा कि पूरी दुनिया तो इतने आसानी से माफ कर देती है, मुझे क्यों प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. नहीं, इट्स ओके, टाइम लग रहा है मुझे, कोई बात नहीं. सो गिव योरसेल्फ टाइम. However, there will be one time in your life, there will be one time, maybe soon or maybe years and years and years and years and years later, when you will realize that forgiveness is actually not even needed. Forgiveness is again a very human attribute. आप इस बात को बहुत अच्छे से समझना, ठीक है? मैं बहुत स्लोली स्लोली समझाऊंगी ये बात को, और अगर दिमाग में नहीं घुसे तो छोड़ दो. जस्ट फोकस ऑन द फर्स्ट पार्ट. ठीक है? Forgiveness is a human attribute. Forgiveness is needed for us, for our mental peace, for our gain, etc., etc. If you consider in the real sense, anybody who's around you, anyone, think of any one person, your mother, your brother, your father, your sister, your maid, your cook, your boss, your friend, anyone who is doing something wrong in front of you is actually helping you grow and evolve. If another person, say for example, I am looking at my younger brother, who's very lazy, only sitting and watching television, not studying, not doing any work. What will I say? Lazy guy, lazy guy, lazy guy. And then later on, maybe I'll feel, अरे यार, मैंने उसको lazy बुलाया, उसको मारा, उसको डांटा. अच्छा चलो, let me sit and do forgiveness. I forgive you, you forgive me. ठीक है? This is normal. But try to go deeper into this. That person sitting on the couch, lazing around, not doing anything, not doing his work, not getting success, Wasting time is teaching you not to be lazy. आप उसको देख के सीख रहे हो, आप उससे सीख रहे हो। अरे ये बंदा लेजीली बैठा हुआ है, इसके लाइफ में तो कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा, ये तो कुछ अच्छा कर नहीं रहा है, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, बैठ बैठ के टीवी नहीं देखने का है। तो आप सीख रहे हो ना कि you're not supposed to be lazy, so that other guy is actually helping you become better, you become evolved, you don't fall into that same weakness. So that guy is actually helping you. So if you now consider the bigger perspective of the whole universe around you, every person sitting around you is actually helping you evolve, helping you become better, helping you make lesser mistakes. Now, I have a grandfather in the house. A grandfather who's, I don't have, huh? All these are examples. Now, see a grandfather in the house. He's always screaming, shouting, always very angry, always very upset, you know. कभी कभी कुछ लोग नहीं होते जिनके चेहरे पे कभी मुस्कुराहट नहीं आती है, वो हमेशा बिगड़े हुए हैं। Now, I don't like my grandfather. I keep on complaining. I keep on saying, Arey, why is this man like this? Why is this man always so grumpy? Why is he always screaming, shouting? As a soul, I should be taking lessons from this soul. I am not supposed to be like this. I am not supposed to be grumpy. I am not supposed to be screaming and shouting always. So this man is teaching me, don't be like this. So if you as a soul, you are learning lessons from people around you, then you will realize that there is no question of forgiveness. These people are not there to hurt you. They are just there to teach you a lesson. They are just there to teach you what is good, what is bad, what is right and what is more right. अब मैं एक और एग्जांपल देती हूँ यहाँ पे। मान लीजिए किसी के हस्बैंड या किसी के वाइफ बहुत शकी मिजाज के हैं। आप कुछ भी करो, आप फिर शख्स के नजर से आपको देखेंगे। घर जल्दी आ गए तो आज जल्दी इतना क्यों आ गए? काम धंधा नहीं है क्या? घर लेट आए तो घर लेट क्यों आए? जरूर पक्का कहीं घूमने गए होंगे। तो कुछ लोग होते हैं जो हमेशा बहुत शकी मिजाज के होते हैं। तो हो सकता है किसी के हस्बैंड ऐसे हो सकता है किसी की वाइफ ऐसी हो। अब एक नजरिया क्या है, चलो मैं इनको माफ करती हूँ, सब गलतियां करते हैं, चलो मैं अपने हस्बैंड को या अपने वाइफ को माफ करती हूँ और मैं उनसे माफी मांग भी लेती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे भी कहीं ना कहीं माफी चाहिए। माफी दी, माफी ली, हो गई। लेकिन अगर आप बड़े पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचे तो आप जब अपने वाइफ को या अपने हस्बैंड को गौर करेंगे कि अरे ये इतने शकी है, इनके दिमाग में हमेशा शक चल रहा है, हमेशा ये सवाल कर रहे हैं कि ये तो नॉर्मल नहीं है, इसके पीछे का कोई वजह होगा एक्सेट्रा। तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या थॉट फॉर्म लाना चाहिए अपने अंदर कि मैं ऐसे नहीं बनना चाहती, मैं ऐसे नहीं बनूंगी, मैं सब पे शक नहीं करूंगी, मैं अपने डिसर्नमेंट का इस्तेमाल करूंगी, मैं दिमाग में सोचूंगी कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है, किस पे भरोसा करना है किस पे भरोसा नहीं करना है, मैं इस इंसान की तरह गलतियां नहीं करूंगी। जब आप अपने सामने हर इंसान से कुछ सीखते हो ना, आपका लाइफ ट्रिमेंडसली ग्रो कर जाता है। अगर आपके फैमिली में 5 सदस्य है और आप पांचों से कुछ ना कुछ सीख रहे हो, आप पांचों को गौर कर रहे हो, यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग द 5 फैमिली मेंबर्स दैट आर देयर इन योर होम। Each family member, you are observing them, you're observing their strengths, you're observing their weaknesses, you're observing what mistake they are doing. And if you can be intelligent enough to learn from them, I will not make this mistake, I will not do that, I will not say this, then eventually, just from your own family, you are learning so much. You're becoming better and better day by day. From your office members, you are learning so much. You're becoming better and better day by day. From your 10 friends, you're learning so much. You're becoming better day by day. One of your friend comes and hurts you. So what is step number one? I forgive you, you forgive me. Chalo, easy. But what is step number two? This friend has hurt me. Why has this friend hurt me? What went wrong? What was my expectation? What did she do? What was the outcome? Acha, if this is hurting me, then I will ensure I never do this to anybody else. So, what am I doing? I am improving myself. I am becoming better and better on my own. I am running a school and a college for my own because I am learning from everybody around me. So, if you properly understand, if you go deeper and deeper and deeper into every life aspect, you will understand that forgiveness is needed when you see that other person is hurting you, other person is making a mistake. If you continuously will think that everything that others are doing is improving you, is making you better, then instead of saying that you have made a mistake, I forgive you, you should rather say gratitude, thank you. I have learned from you. I have learned something from you. I have become better with your actions. I have learned by understanding and studying your actions. I got saved because I will not make the same mistake. So I got saved. My karma will be saved now. So thank you. The people who are hurting you is actually making you stronger. The people who are causing challenges to you are making you stronger, making you build your muscles, physical muscles, mental muscles, emotional muscles, spiritual muscles. People who are challenging you, troubling you, they are helping you neutralize your karma. They are helping you grow certain characteristics and virtues within you. कोई इंसान मुझे बार बार तंग कर रहा है, बार बार तंग कर रहा है, मेरे अंदर पेशेंस डेवलप हो रहा है. कोई इंसान आके मुझे भला बुरा बोल के जा रहा है, मेरे अंदर कामनेस एंड पीस डेवलप हो रहा है. कुछ भी हो रहा है, अगर आप नजरिए को घुमा के देखोगे, अगर आप पॉइंट ब्लैंक देखोगे तो ठीक है, आई फॉरगिव यू, यू फॉरगिव मी, स्टोरी खत्म. 7 times, 14 times, 21 times, as much as needed. बट अगर आप नजरियों को घुमा को देखोगे तो आप देखोगे कि फॉरगिवनेस की जगह आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड करना चाहिए. You should be saying thank you to the people who are causing you the maximum difficulty because they are helping you become the most strong person in your life. So this is a later stage, maybe down the line, some years down the line, when you really feel that your forgiveness list is over, you don't have anyone to forgive, you are not really looking at people and feeling that they are making mistakes, but you're constantly looking at souls roaming around in front of you. And this concept, just as I was starting the session, I said achieving oneness with the higher soul class, it really really helps you look at every person's rotating, roaming around you as souls. When you don't look at the body anymore, you just see, acha, a white light is roaming around. A white light is roaming there. A white light is cooking. A white light is my mother. A white light is my father. A white light is this. Acha, the white light is saying something like this. Okay, what's the white light? It's the soul, the light of the soul. No, 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 it's not easy at all. Not at all easy. Who said it is easy? Did I even once say it is easy? No way. But have you ever grown when you have done easy stuffs? Who has out here grown by doing easy stuffs? Chalo, tell me. One single person, raise of hands. One single person out here who has really grown, chahe grown educationally, grown with the physical body, grown with physical strength, grown with knowledge, grown with money by doing all easy stuffs. Anyone? Easy stuffs don't help you grow. Even if you want to grow a small little muscle, you need to pick up higher and higher weights. You can only grow by doing tough things. आसानी से आसान सिचुएशन में कंफर्ट जोन में रह के एक बच्चा भी ग्रो नहीं करता है। एक बच्चे की हड्डियां भी तब स्ट्रांग होती है जब वो 10 बार गिरता है कि नहीं? थिंक अबाउट इट। It's not easy. It's not going to be easy. If somebody says it's very easy, a lot of gratitude to that person, a lot of salutations to that person, but it's not easy. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes a lot of understanding, it takes a lot of spiritual muscles, it takes a lot of blessing from God and Guru. It does take a group. Believe me, when I had come into pranic healing, I had similar friends. When I had walked into my center, I had 3, 4 other people who were facing similar difficulty. I had my class, my people around me who were facing similar stories. So when I shared with them, they shared with me, it helped us grow together. Had I been alone, I don't think I could have been, reaching so far. So a group helps. A group of people who can cry together helps. A group of people who can sometimes just talk out their heart helps. Group of people who can wipe each other's tear helps. A group helps. So it's not easy. Just try to find out how you can walk through it. Okay, so that being said, let's go for our 7 into 7 forgiveness. So we will do the 7 time forgiveness today also. We will do it generalized for one and all. And then we will go ahead with the twin heart meditation. As you do the meditation, our team is going to heal you. So remember, when we do the invocation of the meditation, please let go, release. Whatever is stopping me, whatever is my blockage, my spiritual blockages, I let go. I don't hold anything within myself anymore. Okay? So request everyone, gently close your eyes, relax yourself. Inhale and exhale slowly, gently. Visualize your body is turning into a white light. You are not the body anymore. The body is very temporary, only for few years. I, the soul, I am permanent. I am forever and ever. So there's a big, beautiful white light in front of me as well. This belongs to all incarnations, all the people connected to me, all my relations. Every single person without an exception is in front of me right now. Put your hands in front of your heart. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for all the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me, physically, emotionally, mentally, verbally, financially, sexually, or spiritually. I forgive you. I forgive you for now and forever. I forgive you for all the incarnations. I forgive you because I realize no one is perfect. So you are forgiven. I completely release you. Go in peace. Go in peace. Go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes. Please forgive me for the hurt and pain that I could have given to you. Forgive me for this incarnation and for all the past incarnations. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for all the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me. I completely forgive and release each one of you. Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes as well. Forgive me for all the hurt and pain that I have ever given to you, for this incarnation, for all my past incarnations. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive each and every one of you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me, for now and forever. You are forgiven. Go in peace. Go in peace. Go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes as well. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I have ever given to you. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry. May the Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive each and every one of you for your mistakes. I forgive you for the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me, whether in this incarnation or any other incarnation. I completely forgive each one of you. Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes. Forgive me for all the hurt and pain that I could have ever given to you, knowingly, unknowingly, intentionally, unintentionally. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive each and every one of you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for the hurt and pain that you have ever given to me. You all are completely forgiven. Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I could have given to you. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. May the Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I forgive each and every one of you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for the hurt and pain that you could have ever given to me. You are completely forgiven. Go in peace, go in peace, go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes as well. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I could have caused to you. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry for my mistakes. Please forgive me. May the Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. The seventh and the last one, Atma Namaste. I, the soul, humbly salute the divinity within each one of you. We are all children of God and we all make mistakes. I completely forgive you for all your mistakes. I forgive you for the hurt and pain that you could have ever given to me. I forgive you for now and forever. You all are completely forgiven. Go in peace. Go in peace. Go in peace. Please forgive me for my mistakes. Forgive me for the hurt and pain that I could have given to you, whether in this incarnation or in any other incarnation. I am truly, deeply, sincerely sorry. May the Divine Supreme God bless us all with His love, mercy, compassion, and forgiveness. May the Divine Supreme God neutralize all our negative karma. May peace be with each one of you. May peace be with me. Om Shanti 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 Om. May all negative thoughts, all kinds of negative thoughts connected to each one of us from the front aura, cut, cut, cut. From the back aura, cut, cut, cut. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale and exhale slowly, gently. As we move on to the Twin Hearts meditation, we humbly invoke, may the beautiful love, light, and power of the meditation heal each and every one of us today. May the beautiful energy help us release and let go our past, release and let go our negative bonds, negative links, connections. May the divine love, light, and power help us learn our lessons today easily, safely. We are all super, super receptive to the energies coming down in the Twin Hearts meditation in full faith. So be it, so be it, so be it.